Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing the monitor to run at its native resolution and refresh rate. This is the single most important step to remove blur. Open your display settings, choose the exact pixel resolution printed in the manual, and then pick the matching refresh rate. Once done, plug the monitor into the GPU with the cable that supports that mode. DisplayPort or dual-link DVI, because lower bandwidth cables force interpolation and blur. Next, make sure scaling and font rendering match the display. Set scaling to 100% when possible. Fractional scaling creates blur because the OS composites pixels. Then run clear type or the system font smoothing utility so text aligns with physical pixels. Update GPU drivers for correct timing and use your monitor's sharpness and overdrive controls sparingly. Too much creates artifacts. Together, these steps align soft. To finish, verify everything again. Resolution, refresh rate, and cable seating. Use the monitor's internal image or a native resolution test image to confirm the panel itself is sharp. If the OS image is still soft, disable GPU scaling or set it to center or full without scaling in the graphics control panel so the GPU does not resample. If problems persist, swap cables or ports. That single hardware mismatch is often the remaining cause of blur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.